Dear viewers, next continuation, sixth question. Solve the following: 2.3 divided by 100. Like this given questions, how we can solve division. Okay, see here. First one, 2.3 divided by 100. How we can solve? Very simple. You can remove the decimal point. Down you can write 10. Why? Because one digit after decimal point is there. Now you can change the symbol into multiplication. Okay, whenever you are changing symbol into multiplication, you can write the reciprocal of that number. Okay, 1 by 100. Now you can write numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 23 ones are 23, 100 into 10,000. Again we can write in decimal form. If you want, you can write, otherwise leave it. Okay, 3 digits after, 3 zeros are there, 3 digits after we need to take decimal point. Now similar way here also, remove the decimal, down 100. Whenever you are changing into division into multiplication, write the reciprocal of that number. If any cancellation, do it. 5 ones are 5 nines are. Okay, 9 by 100 means 0.09 decimal form. Now same here also. For if you remove decimal point, 443 divided by 10 into, when we are changing the division symbol into multiplication, then you can write the reciprocal. Now 443 divided by 10 tens are 100. Again you can write in decimal form, 4.43. Okay, next here by 10, division symbol into multiplication, then write the reciprocal of the number, and 1271 divided by 10,000. Okay, now you can write in decimal form. 4 digits after means 1271, 0.1271. Now here change division symbol into multiplication, 1 by 3.5. Okay, now you can remove the decimal point, 10 by 3.335. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are. Okay, 10 by 5 in the sense 2. Okay, next 88.5 means you can remove the decimal and change into multiplication means. Okay, next 885 divided by 10 into, up you can write 100. Why? Because we are removing. Okay, next you can do the cancellation. 10 ones are 10 tens are 100 with 5 table, 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 5. Okay, 5 sevens are 35, again 5 sevens are 35. Okay, 177 into 10 divided by 3. Okay, 1770 divided by 3. If you want, you can do the division, otherwise leave it. Okay, next 4 by 10, division symbol into multiplication means 1 by 20. Reciprocal we need to write. 4 ones are 4 5s are 4 5s are 20. 1 by 10 into 5, 50. Okay, this is the answer. Next question, you have 7th question. See here in the textbook, a side of rectangular polygon is 3.5 centimeter in length. Perimeter of polygon is 17.5 centimeter. How many sides does the polygon have? Number of sides of a polygon we need to find out. How we can find? See here, given that side of a polygon 3.5, perimeter of polygon 17.5. How many number of sides of polygon we need to find out? First, number of sides of polygon is equal to formula, perimeter of polygon divided by length of a side of a polygon. Number of sides of polygon is equal to perimeter of polygon given in the question 17.5. Length of a polygon 3.5. Okay, decimal point one digit after it is there means we can do cancellation directly. So we will get 175 by 35. Okay, now say 35 1 is 35 5 is 175. Therefore number of sides of polygon is equal to 5. Okay, thank you.